We are now going to be doing our last page. This one we're going to be just doing together because for this page, page 476, we're going to be needing these notes, and this can be a little bit trickier. So you can stop and pause and try all of these things that you want to as I'm doing it. But for this one, we're going to be starting with designing a garden. Use the dot paper below to draw a different garden that has the same perimeter as Joachim's combined garden. So I just need to go back. His perimeter was 28 feet of the combined. So I just need to make sure that when I'm doing this, I'm going to just kind of think it out ahead of I need to have four sides, all four equaling 28. So if I start by doing this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if that's 4 on that side, the other side's going to be 4. So that's already 4 plus 4 is 8. And I need to get to 28, so I can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if the top is 10, the bottom is 10. If one side is 4, the other side is 4. 10 plus 10 is 20. 4 plus 4 is 8. 20 plus 8 is 28. So that works. Then it actually says down here, what is the area of your garden that is the same perimeter as Joachim's? So remember, so the area is length times width. So 10 times 4 is 40 square feet. Okay? Then, beside it, I'm going to draw a different garden that is the same area as Joachim's garden. And before I do that, you can just pause. You can work on your own first garden, and then do that number 7. Okay, then we can come back, and then we're going to draw a different garden that is the same area as Joachim's garden. So his area was 42. Oh, okay. Well, I know, I just have to think about, because it's length times width, so I just need to think what two numbers equal 42. And I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because I know that length times width, 7 times 6 equals 42. But for number 8, what is the perimeter of your garden? So if I know that this side is 6, the other side is going to be 6. And if the top is 7, the bottom is going to be 7. So I have to just, for perimeter, I have to add up all the sides. So 7 plus 7 plus 6 plus 6. Or I could do it like 7 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6. And I know that 7 plus 6 is 13, and then 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 13 equals 26 feet. Then down below, I'm going to use a centimeter dot paper at the right. Well, before I go any further, so you can stop, pause the video. You can work through those first few problems there before we go to the next one. Okay, and for the last part, use a centimeter dot paper at the right to draw separate areas within a garden where you would plant corn, beans, and tomatoes. So the area for corn is 12 feet. So I have to think, okay, what two numbers, multiples would equal 12? And there's a bunch of different answers. For me, I'm going to do 3 and 4. Because 3 times 4, that equals 12. And that's going to be my corn. Okay, then I need beans. And that one is going to be 25. Okay, well, I know 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. There we go. Because I know 5 times 5 is 25, and that's going to be my beans. And for the last one, tomatoes is 20. So take a pause. You can pause the video and check yourself too. Okay, so I know that it's going to be 4. For mine, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 times 5 is 20, so that's going to be my tomatoes. There are some different answers that you can do. You use your own, but after you're done with page 476, submit it to Seesaw, or submit it to Schoology. Awesome job, everybody. Keep up this math.